Do you want to make these garlic butter chicken wings on the braai? They're beautiful. Watch this video and see how it's done. Hi there, I'm Richard. Welcome to Burning Spears, my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be cooking some garlic butter chicken wings. I am currently doing a video on garlic steak, and I thought, hang on a minute, maybe this might be a great idea. So real simple ingredients, real simple recipe, but I think I'm going to achieve amazing results. So stick around to see how it turns out. Okay, I've got a kilo of chicken wings here. I really am not going to do anything to them much in the beginning, apart from salt them. And I'm only going to really do that to them because you'll see why in the cooking process that a lot of the salt's going to come off in any case. So I'm going to season them with a seasoning on the grill when they're almost ready to come off. And then I've got a big head of garlic, just minced up, 2 blocks of butter, that I'm going to be using as the dunk on the braai. This should add beautiful flavor and texture onto these chicken wings. So I often feel like you get the best out of chicken thighs, chicken wings, when you've got a medium zone, just to sort of let them sit while you get some color on the fast area. I often use that technique. So I've just moved coals across here, a little bit hot at the moment. I'm going to wait for that to cool down a touch and let this build up a bit more. Fingers crossed the rain stays away. And then I've got the garlic butter left over from the steak video. Amazing video. The steak turned out so beautifully. Keep an eye out for that one. Once this fire's cooled down, we'll get the chicken wings on and then start the whole process. Right, it was raining earlier and it looks like it's about to rain again. So this fire is a medium high. Can't wait much longer because this is going to come down. By the time it finishes, there's going to be no light. The footage won't be worth it. So I'm going to get them going on a medium high heat and just have to be a bit more agile. Now, I heard you lot snickering when I said be more agile. Promise you, when it comes to cooking, I can move like a mofo. Right, I'm going to start dunking these in the garlic butter and stepping up the pace of the cook. I'm going to step up the pace of the cook now and keep basting them, chuck them over, trying to make sure that there's not too much flame and focus on getting some nice golden color. This is gently bubbling away. So I'm sure you can see why I didn't want to season them too much in the beginning, and I just used salt. It's because most of that seasoning would have come off. So I'm going to apply the seasoning shortly. Now that I'm happy we've got a bit of color, I'm going to move over, I'm going to dunk them, move them over to the cooler side, way cooler now. Let them chill out a bit because they've had some harsh action so far this afternoon. So I'll let them relax a little bit and just finish off, come up to temp. But they're looking good, smelling amazing. This garlic, this roasted garlic, beautiful. Okay, these are definitely done now. They are smelling amazing, looking good. I'll pull them off, let them chill for 2 minutes. Okay, they're all done, looking beautiful. No need to waste this beautiful garlic butter. Serve them while they're hot. It's freezing now here at the moment, so I'm gonna be quick and get these in my gob as quick as possible. Cheers, everyone. Right, these look beautiful, I must admit, they look the part. All that butter and love. Almost like a roast chicken-esque crunch on the skin. Sorry, my Saliva glands are now kicking in overtime. That is gorgeous. I suppose that's why you put butter under your roast chicken, right? Bit of flat action here. Juicy, not dry. Tender. Man, this is good. I wish you could be here right now to taste this. So I'm pretty ecstatic about that cook. Really, really impressed with the results. Keep an eye out for the garlic butter steak video that I did before this. Really, really good way of upping your wing game, this method. Astounding, that crunchy skin, that, oh, it's beautiful. You could see by the color, right? It's banging, absolutely banging. So I want to get inside. It's chilly out here. Don't let this cool off too much. Get them in my gob. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. And without any further ado, that's it.